In this video, I'll be going over the Work Together problem 13-1 from our Century 21 Accounting General Journal books by Gilbertson, Lehman, and Gentene, edition 10E. So, we are recording a payroll. Our problem says Lakeland Company's payroll register has the following totals for the semi-monthly pay period, May 1st through 15th of the current year. T accounts and a cash payments journal page are provided in your working papers, or right here on this spreadsheet, and I'll be guiding you through this example. So what we know is we have total earnings of $13,800. We have federal income tax withheld of $925, Social Security tax withheld of $855.60, and Medicare withheld of $200.10. So we know our total earnings is our salary expense. And in order to increase an expense, we debit it. So we would debit our salary expense T account by $13,800. And now we'll need to have credits that total that amount. So we have employee income tax payable, and that would be $925. And I should put a $sign on that. Social Security tax payable of $855.60, and Medicare tax of $200.10. So we would put that here. And then our cash must be the remaining amount. So I would just do a formula equals 13,800 minus 925 minus the 855.60 and minus $200.10, which leaves us with 11,819.30, which we should probably increase our decimal places so that we can see that. All right, so the next thing we need to do, we've done our T accounts, now we journalize the payment, and we would use the cash payments journal because there is actually a check being written out. So we would do this on May 15th with check number 564. So May 15th, and check number 564, and our accounts that we're going to be paying: salary expense, right? There's our first one, and that's going to be a general debit because it doesn't fit within these special columns. So it would be a general debit of $13,800. Remember up here. Our next one would be employee income tax payable, then Social Security tax and Medicare tax payable. So yeah. So all of these payables are going to go in our general credit because they're not an accounts payable or a purchases discount or a cash credit. So we'll use the general credit. And that is $925, $855.60, and $210, just like we had up here. And then finally we have one more credit, and that's to cash. And that was for $11,819.30. So now we have fully journalized this payroll transaction. And that is it for 13-1 Work Together.